There's some rewrites. Wow, they'll have to stop acting and start fighting back.
They'll do to train soldiers.
And we traded Ben Stiller, Jack Black, Robert Downey Jr., and Tropic Thunder.
I'm very close to you, Zach. One more flop, and it's over.
Somebody said they were close to me? Rated R.
Pack your appetite and hit the road with Old Chicago's Summer Road Trip. We're talking 10 new summer dishes like meatball sliders, our signature marinara, and the caprese thin crust pizza. Plus, enter our Hit the Road Summer Sweepstakes and win free gas cards and a Mexico vacation for two. New summer dishes and great prizes. But hurry in today because Old Chicago's Summer Road Trip ends soon. Old Chicago. Eat, drink, be yourself.
See that house? I built that house. Hey,